In today's video, we're going to be making pompons, or two pompons or two flowers, and these pompons can be used to make cloud dresses or children dresses. If you'd like to see this video, stick around. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Let's get right into the video. For these pompons, you'll need a book. For the purpose of display, I'm showing you two books. One measures 3.5 inches, and then this purple hibiscus book measures 5 inches. For the small pompon, I use the small book, and then the big pompon, I use the bigger book in width. Then you also need your star of the show, which is your tool, and that's basically all that you need for this project, and then your scissors, which I already have here. We're going to start out by spreading out our tool, and then we're going to fold, do a double fold, do a 4-fold, whatever helps to make your fabric as manageable as possible. You want to fold it. Then we're going to measure out 3-inch width. That's what we're going to be using to form our pompons. We're going to be using 3-inch strips of pompon, and that can form either a small pompon or a big pompon or even bigger pompon. The key is in the number of times that you wrap it around the book, which I'll show you later in the video, so you want to stick around. If you're enjoying this video to this point, don't forget to smash on the like button. It helps the algorithm to push out my content. So I'm going to be measuring out 3-inch width pompon. I'm not really making a lot of pompons now, just for demonstration purpose I'm showing you this. But you're going to be cutting out 3-inch strips, and you're going to cut as many as if you're going to make a lot of. Okay, we have our fabric or our tool cut out. So this is the easy step now. We just take our tool and start to wrap around your book. For a small pompon, I recommend the smaller book, and for a big pompon, I recommend the bigger book, which is my 5-inch width purple hibiscus book. This book was written by Chimamanda Adichie. I don't know if you've read it. I've read it and I enjoyed it. Anyways, so we're just going to wrap around the book. I'm going to wrap this for this particular small size tool. I wrapped, I think, 8 times. But later in the video, you see like a bigger size tool that I wrapped 20 times to get that size. So this is a very tiny tool. Once we're done wrapping 8 times, we're just going to pull it out from the book, and then we're going to secure it at the center before cutting.
See the constellations, they remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation.
Then you want to cut open the parts that have folds. You want to cut open all of them so that the sharp edges of the tool can come out, and then that's what we call your tool pompon or your tool flowers. And you can use this to form cloud dresses, just like I've stated or shown you in the thumbnail. There are these dresses now that are trending. They're called cloud effect dress. In fact, I tried to make this dress, but I've not posted the video. But this really brings out your, the beauty of your tool dresses, and it's very easy to make and effortless. So you just want to start to pick it out and fluff it out a bit, and then you're going to go ahead and trim all of the corners, all of the edges of the tool, so that it is equal. And there we have it. You have your tool pompons. You want to stick around and watch to the end of the video, because I'm going to be showing you the process of making bigger tools, and then the process of also attaching this tool to the dress. If you find the video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.
so evident this world will soon be gone, will soon be gone. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone, will soon be gone. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot